Anak-anak, siapa yang mau es krim?
Saya.
We're gonna buy that one, ice cream. Let's go. So I think that what will happen when you go with a bunch of kids, there's just fun, a lot of fun, and there will be a lot more fun in the video, so please stay tuned until the end of the video. And today we are going to go to the LaPerouse and also Malabar Headland. It's just stunning, it's just beautiful. Oh, and it's a suggestion as well from Auntie. And thank you for the suggestion. And if you guys want to see some place around Sydney, just leave a comment down below or just contact me straight away, I don't mind. So yeah, enjoy the video. I love the trip. So beautiful. Let's go. Aduh, Mas Erik nih, halo, ini Mas Erik guys. Ini bus ya guys. Cuman ada satu bocah nih belum datang. So you can take 376 or 395, whatever you like. Ini yang telat nih. Ayo. Yang telat. Mas Calvin, apa kabar Mas Calvin? Apa kabar bro? Mana dia? Mantap. Siapa Mas? Namanya Mas? Zen. Halo Zen, salam kenal.
Tadi
Malabar Beach. So we are going that way. That is the Malabar Headland. Yay, we're finally here in Malabar Headland. Rick, kita di mana Rick sekarang Rick?
Lagi di hutan. Berada di lokasi di Australia. Baru keluar ke Magic Point sekarang.
Magic Point.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Hello. Dadah. Wih, cakep banget. Dan bagus nggak nih? Super.
So this is the sweet escape. If you want to go somewhere in 40 minutes from the center, go here.
Mantap. And we're going that way. We gotta take 391 to LaPerouse, guys.
I'm succeed. Kita di LaPerouse.
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 Ini bro, tutorial untuk mencabut level. Ini set.
Wow, luar biasa. Very unimportant tips. Beautiful. Anak-anak, siapa yang mau es krim?
Saya.
We're gonna buy that one, ice cream. Let's go. Finish our dinner, and I think this will be the end of our video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
thank you. Ciao.